The Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung's upcoming flagship smartphone, is set to launch in January next year. Ahead of its official release, we've got our hands on an exclusive hands-on video that showcases its stunning design and groundbreaking features. Samsung Galaxy S series remains one of the most anticipated Android releases each year, and the S25 series is no exception. As we approach its debut, exciting leaks and details are surfacing online. A new leak, which surfaced on Reddit, reveals the Galaxy S25 Ultra in all its glory. Unlike its predecessor, the S25 Ultra features curved corners and a sleek midframe that slopes towards the back, providing enhanced ergonomics and comfort. This is a significant upgrade, making it more comfortable to hold. Even trusted tipster Ice Universe has confirmed the leak, verifying that the phone indeed has flat metal sides and ultra-slim, uniform bezels. The power and volume keys are positioned on the right, while the rear flaunts 4 cameras, including a periscope-style lens for its super telephoto shots. The video hints at some major changes. The sharp corners are replaced with more rounded edges, similar to the base S24 models, enhancing grip and comfort. The camera bumps now resemble those on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition, adding to the phone's sleek aesthetic. Expect top-notch performance with the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a titanium alloy frame, and a brilliant 6.86-inch QHD Flat AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will run on One UI 7, based on Android 15, and pack a 5000 mAh battery for long-lasting power. Color options include exclusive finishes like titanium blue, black titanium, jade green, titanium pink, and silver. We also have renders showing a vibrant orange color, thanks to TechNISO concept. The camera system is getting a significant upgrade with a 50MP ultrawide sensor, a 200MP primary camera, a 50MP telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom, another 50MP ultrawide camera, and a 10MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. One standout feature is the integration of satellite communication technology, enabling emergency SOS functionality even without network coverage. This feature, confirmed by 3C certification in China, will be exclusive to the Ultra model. However, note that the phone won't include an inbox charger. Only the S25 Plus and S25 Ultra will support 45W superfast charging, while the base model might feature 25W charging. While the Galaxy S25 Ultra won't feature the latest M14 OLED panel, it will continue using the impressive M13 OLED panel from the S24 Ultra, ensuring an exceptional viewing experience with 2600 nits of peak brightness. Storage options will include UFS 4.1 technology, providing incremental improvements over UFS 4.0 for faster and more efficient performance, especially for AI-related tasks. Expect up to 16 GB of RAM and storage options up to 1 TB. Should you consider the Galaxy S25 Ultra? If you already own the S24 Ultra, this might not be a massive upgrade. But if you're coming from an older model, the redesigned look, enhanced cameras, and satellite communication make it a compelling option. As we inch closer to the January launch, stay tuned for more leaks and updates. What do you think of these changes? Are they enough to make you upgrade, or will you wait for a closer look? Let us know in the comments below.